What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get eSIMs on Saily. Saily is a great platform that you can get eSIMs globally from different countries and continents with a really affordable price. All the plans has their own specific data plan and you can easily use it by downloading the app. The address of the app is down in the description, and once you download it and you're in, you need to log in into your account. This is how the app is going to look like in your store, and these are the countries, which is a lot to be honest, and are available in Saily.com. So I'm going to click on explore plans and searching for something like Indonesia. And these are the prices for 1 GB, 3, 5, 10, and 20. Let's go for the 5 GB, which is for 30 days, $13. And also you can pay with different payment methods like Apple Pay, Visa card, Google Pay, or maybe PayPal. But remember, by using a coupon code, which is available down in the description, and you can easily copy and paste it, you will get $3 discount on your whole price, which is great to be honest, and you can easily purchase it by using PayPal or any other kind of payment methods. All right, I've made the purchase and we're gonna wait. There we go, the order was successful. We're gonna get the eSIM. Now we need to install it, and without installation the data plan won't start, and also it may take several minutes. We're gonna click on allow to allow the notifications, and also giving the eSIM some permissions to activate it in the settings. We're gonna click on continue, and we're gonna wait until it's activated. All right, the mobile plan has been set up, and now we need to label the phone for ourselves. So the first mobile phone is the primary one, of course, and now we need to write down a custom label, or maybe choosing something like business, personal, secondary, or something like that. Now we have two different SIM cards in our mobile phone, and we're going to click on allow mobile data switching on or off if we need it, and also we can update contacts preferred line, and we're going to click on continue, and there we go, all has been set for our mobile phone. And by turning on our mobile data, from now on it's gonna consume data from our eSIM, which is from Indonesia. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe.